Chapter 10. Lean in every corner, even the bathroom. Let's talk about keeping things clean and organized, even places we don't think about much, like the bathroom. It might seem funny, but making every space neat and tidy, even the bathroom, helps everyone feel better and work better. At my company, we realized that if we could keep the bathroom as organized as our work areas, we'd feel proud of our entire space. So we made sure everything had a place, like paper towels, soap, and even cleaning supplies. We cleaned up any messes right away, making it easy for the next person to use. This idea works everywhere. When we take a few seconds to tidy up a space, it's like we're doing a small favor for everyone who uses it after us. We all feel more comfortable, happy, and ready to get things done when our surroundings are clean. Try it out. Next time you're in a shared space like your classroom, the playground, or even the bathroom, take a quick look around. Is there anything out of place? Can you make it tidier for the next person? You'll see that keeping spaces clean helps everyone have a better day. The one thing. Lean starts anywhere. Keeping spaces clean and organized, even places like the bathroom, makes a big difference. When we take care of every area, we create a happier, better place for everyone. Win with Lean. Next time you're in a shared space, take a quick moment to tidy up. It's a small step that helps everyone feel great about their surroundings. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 10, we've learned to clean spaces like the classroom, the bathroom, etc. to help everyone. We also learned that tidying benefits those who follow. Now we know that clean environments boost happiness and productivity. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 teaches us to keep spaces clean. Now let's go to Chapter 11.